Hello my darlings and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Dana and welcome to the House of Freeman. In today's video we're going to do a little bit of DIY. I have my Alex drawers. Finally, they've been delivered 5 minutes ago. It's 11:05 on the Sunday morning now, and I thought we could have a little time lapse of me popping it together bit by bit, and then we will go about organising and putting all my makeup collection into the drawers. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then please keep on watching. Now, the Alex drawers were ordered about a week ago. I have just had them delivered by two burly men who put it down in front of the house. I took it inside and I pushed it up the stairs very gently, might I add. I am not as strong as I thought I was, so getting it upstairs was a bit of a mission. I will insert some footage here. I'm worn out, but we're gonna get into building this unit because I've been very excited to get one of these for a long time. So cue the time lapse. I've just put that on the wrong way round, and I'm fuming. That's better. I'm fuming. Fuming. Look at that. What a genius. Well, hey. Oh, thank God. It's done. I've finished the drawers. The camera's set up for me to move that stuff in the corner, move the bed over a little bit, and then pop the drawers in there. Walk around this side of the bed. Please don't judge the mess. It's all going to be hoovered and reordered when it's all in place. This bedside table I made myself, put it all together, painted it, measured it, fabulous. Don't look at the mess, there's a lot going on here. I normally have my wireless charger on here, my charger for my watch. My lamp was there, but I've now moved it up there, so it's out of the way. And the drawers are just going to go here, so this will probably go underneath my desk in the cupboard, which is in there. But let's move some more stuff.